11 Alive News at 5 p.m. starts now.
First tonight at 5, we are following new developments in the Fulton County investigation of former President Donald Trump. Good evening and thanks for being with us. I'm Jennifer Bellamy.
And I'm Faith Jesse. So 2 new documents were made public today as we wait for a grand jury to decide on potential indictments. And there's a lot of moving parts in this case, folks. Zach Merchant has been following it for us all day. He's live right now outside the Fulton County Courthouse. So Zach, what exactly are these documents and how are they impacting the case?
Well, we just got access to those 2 documents earlier this morning. The first is an email from Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. The other is a court order denying former President Trump's efforts to get Willis kicked off of this case.
That email, sent to Fulton County leaders on Saturday, describes angry messages, including racial epithets, sent to the DA and her staff over the course of their investigation into the former president and others connected to the 2020 election. She wrote, quote, "I am sending to you in case you are unclear on what I and my staff have come accustomed to over the last 2.5 years. I guess I'm sending this as a reminder that you should stay alert over the month of August and stay safe." Speaking to 11 Alive this weekend, Willis suggested the case was ready to move forward.
Some people may not be happy with the decisions that I was making, and sometimes when people are unhappy, they act in a way that could create harm. I mean, we've been working for 2.5 years. We're ready to go.
The district attorney's probe has been examining alleged efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. Earlier today, a Superior Court judge denied former President Trump's efforts to disqualify Willis from the case, at least for the moment. Melissa Redman, who was a prosecutor in the Fulton County DA's office before joining the faculty with the University of Georgia School of Law, said the ruling wasn't surprising.
It is very difficult to put forth challenges to a case that has not formally begun yet, which is what the indictment is. It's the formal beginning of charges against an individual.
And as for security outside the courthouse right now, you can see these orange barricades have been installed around some of the main entrances to the courthouse. But in a statement late last week to 11 Alive, the Fulton County Sheriff's Office also said there are more discreet security measures in place with the goal of keeping this area safe for as long as is needed. Live outside Fulton County Courthouse, Zach Merchant, 11 Alive News.
Excellent reporting, Zach, and I have to say welcome to the 11 Alive News team. You'll be seeing a lot more of Zach in the coming weeks. So former President Trump is currently facing charges in New York and Florida. He has maintained his innocence in both cases. And for the latest on this ongoing investigation, you can head over to 11alive.com. We have you covered on the ins and outs of this case since it began in 2021.